Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Hidden beach in Mexico caused by a bomb in World War I. Gas is naturally odorless. The smell is added so people can tell if there's a leak. James Harrison has donated blood over 1000 times, saying over 2 million unborn babies from Rhesus disease. HP printer black ink is more expensive than human blood. Bhutan, the world's most eco-friendly country, just planted 108,000 trees to celebrate the birth of their new prince.
It's all about humanity.
This is the cutest and the smallest horse in the world, Thumbelina. Rudolf Diesel, who invented the diesel engine, committed suicide in 1913 because he did not think his invention would be successful. Google believes sleep loss can seriously damage your health. It has installed sleep pods in its offices for staff requiring a nap. The world's largest hotel, Abraj Khudai, with 10,000 rooms, 70 restaurants, and 4 rooftop helipads, is set to open in Saudi Arabia. Chewing gum increases blood circulation to the brain, which also helps to increase memory. This 32-year-old French man has removed his nose, top lip in desire to be the black alien. The creator of Adidas and Puma both were brothers from a small village of Germany. Textrovert, a person who is expressive and funny in text but shy when you meet in person. Each year, Disneyland uses 5,000 gallons of paint to maintain the clean appearance of the park. World's longest pedestrian suspension bridge opens in Portugal. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog, Mark Twain. Netflix loses an estimated $135+ million every month from subscribers sharing their password. 2 men led a team of 80 people, spent 5 years to collect over 1.2 million golden odd spiders, milk them for their silk, and create the rarest textile on earth, a golden silk cape. If you wanna know who is staring at you, then fake a yawn and look around yourself. X-ray of Nikola Tesla's foot taken by himself on a device of his own design in 1896. The Rio Tinto in Spain is known as the Red River. It has many toxic looking different red shades. Venezuela have the cheapest petrol price in the world, ₹2. Try foods that you hated as a kid. Your taste buds change every 7 years and you're very likely to enjoy most of the food you disliked. Amount of hydrogen in body 10%. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 1 pumps blood to their whole systems and 2 are dedicated just to the gills. I can't believe Mr. Bean consisted only 15 episodes, and as a child it felt like 10 seasons. World's most expensive dog, Tibetan Mastiff, sold for almost $2 million in China. You only move your lower jaw when you are chewing. This man is Fujiko Fujio, a Japanese cartoonist who created Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, Miss Dracula. He has spent 40 years of his career as a cartoonist. According to psychology, 2 effective ways to fight depression are exercising and spending time with pets. Vin Diesel got paid $54 million, which are around 400 crores, for just saying I'm Groot. This picture of a white rainbow, also known as fog bow and ghost rainbow. In the last speech given by Nokia, CEO Stephen Elop, he said that we did not do anything wrong but somehow we failed. There is a park in Japan where you can go in to relax and meditate to ease your mind that is filled with hundreds of statues. The unique smell of rain actually comes from plant oils, bacteria and from the ozone. Uganda surrenders to China. Uganda to surrender its only international airport over failure of Chinese loan repayment worth $207 million. Japanese day trader Takashi Kotegawa turned $13,600 into $153 billion in less than 8 years trading from his bedroom. Psychology says we seem to ignore the one who adores us and pay more attention to those who ignore us. When squirrels land on the ground, they look like superheroes. The doll was named after Handler's daughter, Barbara Millicent Roberts. Barbie is a shortened version of Barbara's full name. They got old. Some of us are actually afraid of being too happy because of the fear that something tragic may happen soon. This fear is known as cherophobia. From now, Vodafone Idea will be known as VI, and now it is Vodafone Idea Limited. The word lol was added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2011. Thanks for watching.